Hi there, my name is Du. In this video, I will show you how to set up the Kiosk mode of ScanPort for automated scanning based on a project template. So let's get right into it. Kiosk mode is a feature in our all-inclusive 3D metrology software ZEISS Inspect. With this mode, scanning, data processing, and reporting are done just with one click. It enables the easy automation of ZEISS ScanPort, where no metrology expert or highly skilled user is needed. This ensures highly reproducible scanning results. Anyone can operate the system by placing the part and start the scan in the Kiosk mode. The user simply needs to turn part over to scan the bottom side. The Kiosk mode takes care of everything else. To set up the Kiosk mode, let's first start our software ZEISS Inspect Optical 3D. In the software, we will navigate to the menu apps, where we will click on Execute Script. Afterward, we can select the Kiosk interface and we will get to Setup option. Once the dialog box is open, we can click on Start and begin with Setup. Next, we need to select Optical as the machine type. Then, we define the public folder for the ZEISS software, where the project template has been saved. We also need to select the folder where the result will be saved after scanning the object. As a standard, it will save the ZEISS Inspect project file and the PDF file of the report. In the advanced setting is the possibility to adapt the user list. You can add the operator's name who will be using ZEISS ScanPort, separated by a semicolon. In this case, I will add my name and my colleague's name. There is also a possibility to select preferred date format. Afterwards, I just need to click on Create Configuration. Now your Kiosk is fully configured and ready for use. Before we open it and see how easy it is to scan a part, we need to create a template. There are predefined scanning templates that we could use, but we can also create our own. To do this, we need to start the workflow by clicking the ScanPort icon at the top. The dialog opens and gets us through all the steps. Here, we select the number of parts and if there are reference points on the parts. Then, we set up the scanning positions for the top and bottom side of the part. We just need to save the template and we can proceed with scanning the part in the Kiosk mode. To open the Kiosk mode, navigate to ZEISS Quality Suite and open the mode and the tools or from the desktop. Here you can see and select the operators we created during the configuration. Next, you can add the serial number and select the project template. Now simply press Start and the scanning starts automatically. The software verifies the date and steers the axis of the ZEISS ScanPort. As you can see, scanning with ZEISS ScanPort and the Kiosk mode is very easy and suitable for inexperienced users. For more great content about 3D scanning, visit HandsOnMetrology.com. You will find the link in the information section of the video. Thanks for watching.